Thousands of people of Somaliland have been affected severely by the civil war, and many pastoralist families were internally displaced and lost their livestock. Therefore, as a result of extreme poverty, pastoralists and agro-pastoralists have gradually been shifting to the charcoal trade to improve their livelihood. For the past 17 years, Ado has been contributing significantly to the progress made in improving the livelihood conditions of the pastoralists and agro-pastoralists in Somaliland.
Ado stands agricultural development organization which is based and operating in Somaliland. That was founded in 1993. And it's mainly focusing on crop and livestock production for the rural communities. Other have a head office here in Hargeisa, and we have two branch offices, Bro and Erika regions. Over the last 17 years, Ada has been working in various food security and livelihood projects that has been funded by UN and international NGOs, aiming at to improve crop productivities, enhance household income, and reduce rural poverty.
Since its establishment in 1993, Ado has been implementing numbers of food security and livelihood-related projects. Among these projects was constructing a water canal for the agro-pastoralist communities living in Dareidere village in Alder region. Ado has carried out different interventions to empower and improve the socio-economic conditions of the pastoralists and agro-pastoralists through addressing some of the main challenges which internally displaced communities were facing, such as the lack of water resources and malnutrition due to food scarcity. This has achieved tangible results that benefited a large number of pastoral communities, since previously these communities were pastoralists who were either internally displaced or lost their livestock due to the recurrence of drought, and as a result were working as charcoal producers. Currently, in the eastern regions, Agriculture Development Organization, ADO, is implementing a project called Enhancing the Food Security of Agro-pastoralists and Pastoral Communities in Somaliland. The target areas include Beerahooda, Beer and Odweyne districts in the Togdheer region. The project, which is funded by the International Solidarity Foundation, ISF, is aiming at enabling the farmers to secure and sustain their food production by increasing crop cultivation in the target areas. During the program implementation period, ADO has been able to transfer knowledge to 150 farmers of both male and female to acquire skills such as sustaining agricultural practices, and also they introduced a new variety of crops.
ADO and ISF partnership has been started in 2012 with 4 years program, which is actually ended in this year. The program have 5 program results, and mainly it is going to focus on crop production and value chain, value addition in terms of food processing, and supporting alternative livelihood system by provision of chicken, poultry production, beekeeping, and also water irrigation improvement. So the program has been supported 668 households, both in Beerahooda and Beer villages. The program is going to end in this year, and it makes a huge change in terms of livelihood, in terms of food security, in terms of income for the target communities. There is a great change when it comes to nutrition of the children.
Adha constructed water diversion systems in the dry river of Beerahooda to divert floodwater that was delegated to one direction.
At the initial stage of the program, there is a very limited number of farmers existing in Beerahooda. And then when we diverted floods, the number of farmers has been increased. Almost 350 farmers now they get benefit the water from the river. Because when we talk about agriculture, we have to think also the irrigation system. If there is no water at all, there is no farming process and farming cultivation. So cultivation in the land has been increased due to floods that they receive from the river. So the number that has been increased, and also some of the pastoralists, those who lost their animals or livestock, they start new cultivation in area of Beerahooda area.
Moreover, Adha provided farming inputs of 90 sets of primary farm hand tools and 1,000 kilograms of pulse and favourable variety of sesame oil seeds to introduce to the farmers market valued products. Also, grinding machines were provided to Beerahooda village.